Welcome to Bliss Souls by Monica. I am a certified nutritionist, yoga, pranayam, meditation practitioner, and a motivational blogger. So, in these difficult COVID times, I've seen most of the people, not all of them, but most of the people, most of the time are on social media. And instead of feeling good, they end up feeling bad and more vulnerable about themselves. Today, I'm going to highlight and talk about how life is not a competition with anyone else. Is life a race? Yes, it is. But life is a race with yourself. In today's millennial generation, we have given all the power to social media to control our thoughts, emotions, and mind. I have seen a lot of people grumbling, comparing, constantly being insecure about other people's achievements. I do not understand why do people compare themselves with someone else. We should instead compare ourselves with the last year's version of ourselves. Are we better than what we were last year, last month, or even yesterday? And we should use social media as a platform to learn, evolve, motivate, and be happy for each other's success and achievements. Remember, you are the master of your own mind. I'm not saying we have to stop where we are or we do not have to try too hard. No, as a human mind, the way it functions, we are repeatedly going to be in a perpetual chase to accomplish greater and more things in life. And that's completely okay. Do not settle for less. If you firmly believe you're capable of something more, you deserve more, beat all the odds and go all in. But remember, do not bring down someone else while you're running your own race. When you compare yourself with someone else, you're judging yourself based on their values. And eventually, even if you win by bringing down someone else, you will achieve what's important to them, what matters to them, and not what matters to you. I remember this very famous quote by Albert Einstein. If you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it's going to spend its entire life thinking that it's stupid. So if someone is good, if someone is great at something, it's not necessary you have to be equally good at it. No. You have to study yourself, realize your own potential. And if you want to compare yourself, as I said, compare yourself with the last year's version of yourself. Every year, ask this question to yourself. Have I worked on my flaws and made necessary enhancements? If the answer is yes, you are going to win. Write it down. If we strive to be better than what we were yesterday, we are going to win, as simple as it is. Furthermore, who defines a certain timeline in life? Yes, timing is everything. But everyone has a different timeline. There is no perfect formula of age when it comes to education, job, marriage, kids, or even starting your own venture. As we all know, we are born with different fingerprints. In the same way, we are born with different time clocks. You cannot compare your time clock with someone else's time clock. It's outright foolishness. My personal experience says that nothing in life, nothing is guaranteed or constant. We should be in the present moment and soak the present moment completely. While we are running our own individual race, it's very important to stop, reflect, drink a glass of water, and completely be happy in the present moment. We cannot tell ourselves today is a bad day and tomorrow is going to be a good day. No, this is your moment and make the most of it. And it's not about being ahead of someone. It's always about doing the right thing with all your heart and consciousness. Trust me, when you do something with all your heart and when you're completely conscious in whatever you're doing, you are going to be successful. You are going to win the race. So let's strive to be better human beings than what we were yesterday. Let's emerge as winners of our own individual race while motivating and inspiring others to win their own race. Guys, I have written an elaborate blog on this. You can go and check it out at blisssouls.com. For any questions, information, inquiries, online sessions, you can write to us on blisssouls@gmail.com. I just want to add one thing. I have started this channel with a pure intention of promoting healthy, happy, and a blissful lifestyle. So please like, share, subscribe, and spread this thought. Together, we can make this world an ecstatic place to live. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Namaste.